And now we need to update the customers menu here. That looks like this: a welcome message, my orders, and sign out. The hyperlink to view the items in the shopping cart is always available, whether the customer logs in or not. So after the customer has logged in successfully, we set a value in the session attribute here. Request get session set attribute, and the attribute name is for example local customer, and value is a customer object here returned from the check login method. And in the header JSP in the front end, we need to update the customer menu here. Here you see we have the hyperlinks, login, register, view card,